Hey business warriors, and if you've been paying attention recently, you may have heard a story about a certain computer games retailer taking a little trip.
Fly me to the moon.
That's right, GameStop stock has soared after investors, and I use that term loosely on the Reddit forum Wall Street Bets, piled into the stock. The company's stock price has risen 1,625% since the start of January, and the hype has been so big that someone even bought a billboard in Times Square to promote the stock. And this is because of something called short squeeze. Multiple hedge funds were shorting GameStop stock, basically borrowing the stock, selling it, and then having to buy it back in the future, hopefully at a lower price in order to return it to the brokerage or the person that they borrowed it off. Only problem is, because of the degenerates on Wall Street Bets all piling into GameStop stock, the price has been rising rather than falling, which causes shorts to have to buy the stock to cover their positions, and that causes the stock to then increase in price even more, and then another group of shorts has to cover and buy the stock, and it rises even more, leading to a short squeeze. Several other stocks have also been targeted by Wall Street Bets traders, including AMC and BlackBerry and a few others. None of them have risen quite as much as GameStop, but we'll see what happens next week. And now there is another target, which is silver. And this is interesting because silver is a commodity, not stock of a company. But users on the Reddit forum Wall Street Bets have been making the case for buying silver to try and create a short squeeze type scenario. Now, in a post that has now been deleted by moderators because you're not allowed to talk about the stock market or commodities, right? Freedom of speech. Anyway, in this post, one Reddit user said, "Silver bullion market is one of the most manipulated on earth. Any short squeeze in silver paper shorts would be epic." Now that is true about the manipulation, but can Wall Street Bets investors, and I use the term loosely because some people have lost a lot of money on that forum, but anyway, can these investors really drive up the price and create a short squeeze? We're going to look at that in just a moment, but first of all, let's look at their case for silver. So one user posted this long post about the possibility, and I'll read you out the key points. Number one, the difference in price between gold and silver. Although there is a 1:8 ratio between the amount of naturally occurring gold and silver in the world, the difference in price is 1:70. Basically, silver should be way more expensive than it is compared to gold. Number two, silver is used in a lot of green technologies such as electric car batteries, etc. Which now, with the Democrats in control of the three branches of government in the US, okay, the presidency, the House, and the Senate, we could be getting a Green New Deal or something like that, which would, it's bad for other things, but for green stocks like Tesla or anything that uses, silver is used in a lot of these electric car batteries, etc. For a lot of these stocks, it would be good, okay? Stocks are things that are used in green technologies. 3, silver is down 50% from its high 10 years ago. 4, the metal is fundamentally undervalued. 5, there is a precedent for a silver squeeze, and the author cites the Silver Thursday incident of 1980, where the price hit just under $50 an ounce, which in today's money would be $161, okay, inflation adjusted. That's over 700% it rose from the year before. Then the fact that between 200 and 400 times more silver is traded on paper than exists in physical form. Then there are a few more reasons which I won't go into, but can Reddit users actually move the silver market? Well, it seems most of them will be investing into a fund called iShares Silver Trust, or SLV, or just going and buying physical silver bullion. John Freeney, business development manager at Guardian Vaults, told Bloomberg News, "It is true that the combined efforts of those on Reddit forums can dramatically influence the price of individual stocks, but if you compare the size of the entire silver market to the market cap of the individual companies that forums have recently targeted, we don't see this as having potential to significantly move silver into a short squeeze scenario." But I mean, of course you'd say that. He's probably shorting silver. But we do see signs that something is starting to happen. Several precious metal exchanges have already been reporting shortages. APMEX posted this message: "Due to unprecedented demand on physical silver products, we are unable to accept any additional orders until markets open on Sunday evening." And other suppliers also posted similar messages. SD Bullion said in a message that in the 24 hours preceding Friday market close, SD Bullion sold nearly 10 times the number of silver ounces that we normally would sell in an entire weekend leading to Sunday market open. So many people expect the price to surge this week, and we will see what happens on Monday morning with SLV. Okay, another route you could go though is investing in individual silver mining stocks, especially junior miners. Okay, and this could be the smarter move because this would have the potential, if it goes your way, to, 100x your money, all right? But obviously you're getting into the realms of something where you really do need to know exactly what you're doing, okay? And basically you shouldn't be taking financial advice from me because, like the people on Wall Street Bets, I am a retard who is not qualified to give financial advice. But the one thing I can give you financial advice on is to tell you to open up a brokerage account with Webull, because right now, if you use my link, which is below, you get 4 free stocks when you deposit $100. And 2 of these stocks could be valued between $800 and $1,600. All right, luck of the draw which ones you get, but I do wish you good luck. Link is below. As always, guys, please leave your comments. This is not financial advice. Please subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.